I'm breathing so hard. Say good morning. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Y'all, don't judge me. Don't judge my hair. I look crazy. And don't judge me. No makeup, no hairdo, no nothing. Good morning, everybody. Hey. I'm here trying to get my day started. Have so much things to get done today. I think I'm about to head on the road and try and get some stuff done today. I have so much little things coming up. Hey baby. I have so much little things coming up, so I need to go shopping, and I also need to go find a tripod for my camera. Yes guys, I got my camera. I can start giving you guys some better vlogs. So I'm about to go on the road to get that done. So almost finished getting this little one ready. Hubby's home for lunch. He's somewhere downstairs, so you guys won't see him until later this afternoon, or if he comes up you guys will see him. Yeah, so that's what's up today. So I'm about to get myself ready. The sun outside is 100, but anyway, I'll be walking to the mall. The mall is about 10 minutes walk from home, so I'll be walking to the mall. Yeah, don't worry, I'll be putting sunscreen on because I can't do the sun. It's a very beautiful day outside. So we're about to head on the road. See you guys.
Hi guys. How you doing?
And there's hubby going back to work. How was lunch, love?
That was good, as usual.
You full?
I'm full.
Okay, he have to come home for lunch, y'all. He misses us. He enjoy coming home for lunch.
That's a good break. When you're still at work, that's not a break. You're going home, that's a real break.
Yeah,
when you have the chance to be able to go home, that's a good thing.
So he's heading back to work now, and Tyler is almost done getting ready. Right, Papa? Papa is going back to work. Leave us. Honey works in town, but I'm not ready, so you have to go leave us. Ah, Papa is leaving. Papa is leaving.
Mwah. Mwah. À tout à l'heure, okay? Okay? À tout à l'heure.
Yeah. Later. Later. Be safe. Love you too. Papa is gone. Papa is gone. You guys, before I strap Tyler in, I have to show you this cool shirt he's wearing. My sister from Jamaica sent it to me. No, Papa, no. Look, his shirt says 50% mom plus 50% dad equals 100 Jamaican. Isn't that cute? I think it's the cutest thing. So hey sis, he's wearing your shirt today. How cute is he? Ready to be all strapped in, Papa? Come, let Mama strap you in, okay? Yes, Mama gonna strap you in. You guys, I don't know if it is just me or other people does this, but it doesn't matter how old Tyler is, I can't seem to turn his stroller the other way, like have him face the direction that we're going. I have to have him face me. I just feel crazy when I don't see him like facing me. Comment below and you guys tell me how do you feel when your kid is this young and in the stroller and you have to turn him around the other way. When my husband is with me, I'm okay doing it, but otherwise, nah. Baby's not with me and I'm walking on the side of the road, so I'm going to see you guys when we get there. We walked the entire journey and we're at the mall, and look who is still awake. But I think he's about to go out right now completely. I think that I have found the tripod that I want. But I'm going to talk to Babe about it and see which one he thinks is best. Hey! Look at me. Hey! Hey! Can you believe that Tyler has been awake the entire way? And as we are about to reach home, Tyler fell asleep. Oh my God, this little boy. You guys, I am back home. And if you're wondering why I'm talking so low, it's because Tyler is still sleeping. Look, let me show you. The sun is unbearable outside. This is, I don't know what I was thinking wearing my hair like this. This is the last time I will wear my hair out like this for the rest of this summer. Listen, the sun is no joke. I don't promise anybody that I will be walking to the mall again for the rest of this summer. Nope. Listen, y'all tell me if the sun is very hot where you are. The sun here is crazy. Don't mind my crazy hair. The sun is just hot. I just want to get it in one already. So, mission accomplished. I think I find the tripod that I wanted for the camera. So I'm going to go get it with hubby on the weekend, and I think I also found my outfit that I want to wear to the wedding that I'll be attending in a few weeks. Ooh, okay, so I feel accomplished today. I think I got all that I wanted to done. Now I just have to get ready to cook dinner until hubby gets home, and yeah, I'm going to relax and probably have to get some napping, because for who don't know, I'm a big sports fan and Olympics is coming up, and this weekend, starting yesterday, is the Jamaica national trials going on for the Olympic Games, and our time zone is totally different, and I have to wake up in the night to watch the championship that is going on, because I can't miss a thing, because I have a lot of friends. I also have a lot of friends competing. So yeah, I will be up all night tonight, which is going to drain me by the weekend, but I don't mind once it's sport. So that's what's up for the rest of the day, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.